beautiful monsters. Hello, Olive. Welcome here. Hello, everyone here. And today is gonna be a spooky mystery bag by. Sorry, I probably can't pronounce it correctly. Sorry about whatever. And I had done like a quiet mystery box on them like a year or two ago. That's on my channel. Please look at it up if you like. But this is spooky. Cause it's so spooky. Look at that. It's purple. It has spiderweb design, bones. My favorite little fuck. I love that. Candy, skulls, ghosties, ghosties. Yay! Yay! And they have like different like cards to like the mystery bags, and they have other mystery bags, boxes, you know. I put prices of like this down below. I don't quite remember right now, but and also look, my Halloween nails. Yay! Okay, but they have, I chose like the cheapest mystery box they had on there for the Halloween spooky one. But, they have other ones. I'll put information down below. First we have, oh, stop! Look at that! Spooky mystery bag. Purple with bats and witchy cats and crescent moons. Oh my god, yes! Look at that, look at all of that. Oh, and a cauldron. Oh, it looks like a slime coming out of it. Look at that. Oh, spooky! It's a spooky! Oh, spooky sock. That's so many like Halloween socks, so you know. That's okay, Dobby, a sock! No, Dobby is free! Dobby's free! Oh, look. Oh, how nice. Look at that. Oh, and then pop. Oh, yes. Nice. Cute. Yes. Oh, look. We have a bookmark. A skeleton bookmark. My spooky bookmark there. The brand. Oh, well, it's like the cannibal letter. Oh my god, and it's a Sanrio character. I think I know someone. Doing the Sanrio people. Oh, I know multiple people into Sanrio, but maybe someone I know might like this. Or a couple people. Look at that. It's an iron-on patch. Happy horror. So far, we got 3 things so far. Oh my god. We got. Is it a coaster? What is it? Like, a little ghosty, and it has like a little hat. It is like a party hat. Like, it has a little blush. Blush. It's like a little tiny rug. Oh, give me decoration too. Whatever I want. Look, it's all smiley. Yay. Great. Wonderful. Oh my god. So far, this pile is so cute. A pile of stuff I have. Oh my god. So far, we have all this good, cute little stuff. Ah, oh, so cute. Little cute little pile so far. Oh my god, yes! Yes! Michael Myers! Look at that! Chasing people! Oh. Spooky sticky nose! Spooky! It's Oh my gosh, yeah, it's so much fun. Oh my god, these are so cute, and I like the color scheme, of course. Oh, pop socket. Oh, so cute. Little pop. Oh. Oh, Hello Kitty and Michael Myers. How cute. Oh. Phone socket. Oh, how cute. Oh, so cute. And it's like, oh my god, yes. Oh, that's so cute. Like, oh, yes. Oh, we love that. We love that so much. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Oh, yes, it's a spooky. Look at that, the Halloween pin. And I have a pin collected. Oh my god. Like a small little Sailor Moon, lavender jar that I keep, like plastic jar that I keep. My pins and stuff in it. It's just like overflowing. Like there's no. Oh my god, look. Oh, how cute. Oh. Good quality pin. Oh my god, look. Oh. And then one more thing. Well, no, two more things. Oh, Sammy! It's cute little Sammy! Look at the baby! Look at the baby! Look at the baby! It's Sammy! And I think it's so cute. I finally saw the Trick or Treat movie last year with my best friend. Because I was like, I have not seen the Trick or Treat movie. I need to, like, Sam I haven't. So we watched it together. Ah! Sammy's so cute. Even though he doesn't have his mask on. But he's cute with the mask on. But, like, without it, it looks like an old alien or something. No offense to aliens, like, from outer space, they don't want it. So, I mean, they're probably different ones, well, okay, but, like, oh, okay. Oh, yes. It's a, you know, lanyard with him on, and it also has that, you know, yeah. Oh, that is, oh, that's so cute. She's so cute. Oh, did you wear it? Okay. And then last. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Can we not? Oh my. It's a Pennywise, cinnamon roll. Pennywise cinnamon roll! Pennywise cinnamon roll! Cinnamon roll! So we got 3 Samuel dying. Look at that. Look at all that. Oh, Pennywise, Michael Myers, and a collect. Oh, look at that. Look. How can you not? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cute. Oh. So we got socks. Yeah, then we got a sock. Okay, sock. We got bookmark. We have iron patch. We have this little ghost. Boop. So these are 4 things. We got this sticky notepad. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, 9. Let me see. Okay. Socks. 1. bookmark 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so cute. But yeah, they have a bunch of cute stuff. And there's other, like, I did, like, Taiwan, like, cute, spooky stuff. But there's also, like, mystery boxes if you're not into such, like, cute Halloween stuff. But I'm more into the cute version of Halloween. Also some spooky stuff, too. But yeah. Oh, my God. But yeah, that is everything that came in this. There's 9 things. Oh, that's odd, usually. But I don't know. But yes, I'll put down the price below. It probably was like around $20 to $40 for this. And, more like 20 or 30, probably no. So I think this is definitely worth it. Like, better if you understand Rio and, like, war stuff. But, like, I'm keeping this. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, yes. And then a couple of the items, like, I mean, some of it I'm keeping, some of it I am gonna give to people. Like this and this. Like, I have a sibling-in-law and a work friend, and they both like Sanrio. And I also have a sister-in-law, stepsister, but she's in a different country, so I can't really give it to her, you know. Oh my God! But yeah, gifts. If I want to give people gifts, I don't know. These people, I don't feel like any of them are really iron-on patch type of people. But I don't know. I'm thinking sibling-in-law, work friend, maybe. Because work friend had like 2 samurai tattoos that she recently got. Like, one was like a month or 2 ago, and then she got one like the other day. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, yes. But all the details will be down below. Bookmarker, sock. This patch. Oh, goody. That is all that came in this. Oh my gosh, like how. Oh my god. Oh, and the one about my eyeshadow lipstick by Jeffree Star. The sparkly orange is Orange Crush. Okay, both these eyeshadows are in the mini Jawbreaker palette. Orange Crush is the orange, purple is the Bite Me. I put orange and purple, but they transfer onto each other, so it's kind of a bit of a mess. But they came from the Jeffree Star Cosmetic Liquid 3-sub minis, and it's Halloween Fantasy, Halloween Orgies for the purple sparkly one, and then the orange is Pumpkin Fantasy, right? Yeah, Pumpkin Fantasy and Halloween Orgy. So let me show you. We saw these 2, but mostly you can just see this. I'll try to make my eyes makeup. I done like a Jeffree Star mini haul recently. Go look at that. Multiple videos of Halloween hauls and stuff. Halloween hauls to cool videos. It is now Halloween. Yes! Full week of October. Woo! Yay! Okay. Oh. I smell his lipsticks product. Oh my gosh. See, it did transfer on. But yeah, it wasn't orange on it, like when I put purple on it, it was more like a shimmery lavender color. And I'm like, I don't know if it's supposed to be that way. But yeah, we have Cotton Blood, which I'm not going to wear. I'm just wearing Pumpkin Fantasy and Halloween OG. Oh, Jeffree Star and his names for his makeup products. Oh my god, yes. Oh. These earrings are by Femme de Bloom. I got them last year, but you can still get them on the website. No, like affordable. They're like $12, I think, around $12. But like most of the earrings and all of them are very around affordable. So they're like, you know, less than $20 and stuff. They have sales and stuff. You know, cheap earrings, less than $20, I think. Yeah. Whew, and I have my Ouija shirt on. I got this from a farmer's market. They're all ratties and they make a symbol. So, this is my spooky Mitchie bag video. Well, spooky Mitchie bag unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. Go check out my other videos if you like. Not a fine. Hello. Goodbye. Have a wonderful spooktacular Halloween. And rest of your year. Bye. I hope the rest of the year goes smashing for you. Go matching, smashing, wonderful to you. Bye.